It baffled me after 35 years of being a dentist how much lack of knowledge there is in the general population about how important the mouth and the health of the mouth has to do with your organs, with your general health. So did you know that if your gums are not cleansed properly every day and you're not brushing, flossing, and cleaning your tongue after every meal and before you go to sleep and when you wake up, that's 5 times a day. So most people are not aware or disciplined or even aware of how to do it. So if you need to learn how to brush, floss, and clean your tongue, you can come and visit us because we would be happy to teach you. It is amazing how patients are telling us they never had anybody teach them how to do this properly. And we see the transformation from unhealthy disease, fatigue, depression, all these different ailments that people are suffering, even young people, with something as simple as oral hygiene. Are you seeing your hygienist on a regular basis? When was the last cleaning? Do you have bad breath? Well, you wouldn't know because you cannot smell your own breath. You are growing accustomed to the odors of your gums and your mouth and whatever. So having regular checkups is really important. Do you know that a lot of people that are suffering from depression and neurological conditions is root cause with metals and materials in their mouth that are not compatible with the immune system? So we are experts at removing the metals, the mercuries, the root canal, the formaldehyde, all these chemicals that are competing and debilitating your immune system. So we would like to have a conversation with you because 2025 is about vitality, strength, longevity, and being able to do the things that you want to do in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now, in 20 years from now. So the root cause of your ailments might be inside your mouth. So give us a call. This is Dr. Yolie.